In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a GIF into PowerPoint. This is a simple yet effective way to enhance your presentation by adding a dynamic touch that can captivate your audience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to launch Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. It's always a good idea to ensure you're using the latest version of the software to take advantage of all the features and capabilities PowerPoint has to offer. Once you have PowerPoint open, you can either start a fresh presentation or open an existing one. Make sure to arrange your content such as photos, tables, and text so your GIF will complement the overall design and message of your slides. With your presentation ready, click on the specific slide where you anticipate your GIF will have the most impact. Whether it's an introductory slide or one that accents a particular point you're trying to make, placing your GIF thoughtfully can really enhance audience engagement. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of the PowerPoint window, where you'll find the Insert tab on the ribbon. Clicking on this tab reveals a variety of options, but for our purposes, you'll want to select Pictures. Then, choose the option labeled This Device. This step will bring up a dialog box, allowing you to browse the files on your computer. Now, navigate to the location where your GIF file is saved. If you have multiple images or files stored on your device, you might find it helpful to use the search bar or sort your files by name or date to locate your GIF quickly. Once you've identified your GIF, click on it to select it and then hit Insert. This simple action will insert the GIF into your selected slide. Once the GIF is on your slide, you'll see that it can be manipulated just like any other image. Click and drag on the corners or edges to resize it, maintaining the correct aspect ratio so it doesn't look stretched or squished. You can also click and hold to drag it around the slide until you find the perfect spot where it enhances your content without overshadowing your other elements. And there you have it, a compelling animated component added seamlessly to your presentation. Adding a GIF can provide that extra layer of engagement, keeping your audience interested and your presentation lively. Remember, PowerPoint allows you to revisit and adjust your slides anytime, so feel free to experiment with different placements and sizes to see what works best for your particular presentation style. I hope you found this guide helpful as you continue to develop dynamic and engaging presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.